Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show this Instax Mini 9 unboxing video. My sister gifted me this, so let's go and check out this Instax Mini 9. Yes. Oh my god, they gave this cute box which we can carry the camera very easily, and this is very useful for travel purpose. For the people who don't have, much careness about the things like me, you can store it very carefully. Oh, it's a backpack where you can store all the things related to this Instax camera, and the quality is also nice. It's not leather, but the quality is nice, pretty nice, where you can store the Instax camera and all the Polaroid sheets and everything. And next, let's go for the camera. Oh, they have given so many things. Yes. First, I'm gonna show you the accessories. At last, I will show you the camera. And I chose ice blue color. It's so light and it's so cute. I have already seen my friend's yellow and purple camera, but I would like to prefer this ice blue. So this is my first Instax camera, and I'm gonna show the accessories now. Special day, smile, I love you, everyday smile, happy, fall in love, I'm happy, have a nice day, where you can gift to your friends. This is so cute, where you can store your Polaroid photos in this card and you can gift it to your friends, or you can simply stick it to your wall, like a design Polaroid photo. Accessory I'm gonna show you is this colorful wooden clips. When you are thinking to stick your Polaroid cameras to your wall, you can use these colorful clips. They look so nice, and they will give a funky look to your wall. Next accessory I'm gonna show you is this color papers. This is just a background to your Polaroid photo, and the thickness is not it's not good, like it is very thin, like it's just support the Polaroid photo as a background. And the next accessory is this photo frame. So they gave some small photo frame. We took festive pack. Actually, we ordered normal Instax Mini 9, only the camera and the camera bag. It's about 6,000. And I have seen another deal in Amazon where I can get all these accessories like these fridge magnets and photo frames and card stocks and these wooden clips. So I cancelled that order, and it is just 300 rupees extra. I can get all these cute little accessories. So I opted for this, and I got so many accessories. I will show you the photo frames. Like this is just a normal plastic one, like colorful wala. Just you can keep it on your table. It's nice. Like the quality is not that good, but it's look good. So I got 5 colors in this, all the funky colors. Next is this favorite fridge magnets. Let's see the fridge magnets. They gave 1, 2, 3, 4 fridge magnets where you can stick your Polaroid to these fridge magnets, and you can have the good memories of your with your loved ones, and you can stick that to your fridge. Daily you can see that photo on your fridge, and you can feel so good when you see that. And
one for me.
And okay, so with the wooden clips, you are thinking how I'm gonna use these wooden clips. I'm gonna use this jute rope. I think you have already seen that. Just keeping that Polaroid cameras attached with wooden clips like this. It's very simple. You can have a beautiful wall. And a marker. It's a luxury marker. You can write under the Polaroid photos when you have taken that photo, and what's the memory, and on which date, what is the special occasion, like that. It is very useful for travel purpose. Like we use phone cameras and normal DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, but this Polaroid camera is something special. You can always store that photos physically. Like they also gave this beautiful little album. I also got this in this festive pack. The album is so cute. Like you can store lot of Polaroid cameras in this, and you can store all the physical moments of your life. You can store all your Polaroids. I think there are more than 10 sheets in this, and each sheet have you can store 4 photos in each sheet. So almost you can store 40 photos in this Polaroid album. So the deal is so good. Like this festive pack is so good. Normal camera is just 6,000, and if you pay extra 300, you can get this festive pack. I would suggest to take this festive pack so that you can get all these cute accessories. And the final one is this Polaroid sheets, where like films you have to shoot in this. They gave 2 packs of this. Each pack contains 10 sheets. And the final one is this camera. See the pictures on this box. They look so cute. We need to try this kind of photos in my Polaroid camera. And the ice blue color is this one. I'm gonna open this now. And the warranty is for 1 year. If you want extended warranty, you have to pay again 350 rupees. Then you will get an extra another 1 year warranty. They gave this lens cap to protect your lens from the camera dust and all. And the final one is this beautiful camera, little colorful camera. They have already given batteries. You need this kind of batteries. And let's open the camera and we'll see. Oh, nice. It's a plastic one, and the finishing is very smooth and have this little flash. And this is the shutter button. If you click this, you will get a photo from here. And this is lens, 60mm focus. Nice. Okay. I will show how this camera works. I will use some copies and I will show the photos.